Okay, 2007 Ford Super Duty F250 customer complaint. Vehicle does not start. I'm gonna wait for it to finish. I tried communicating with the network. It doesn't let me go through. The Alta isn't able to decode the VIN, and I put in the VIN number, and it's still the same thing. You can see. You can see the odometer says 0, door ajar. We have a communication error. So what I'm going to do is get my JBoss, connect to it, and see what are we seeing and what we are missing. Okay, key on, engine off. We're looking on can high plus, about almost 4 volts. Can low 1.6. Let me go ahead and remove this cluster. Cluster disconnected. Our CAN bus is still out of whack. If I shut off the ignition, watch it. Wow. You can barely see that. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect the ABS module. Okay, ABS module disconnected. Now let's go back to the scope. Sorry about that. You can see now. Let me get this closer so you guys can see. Let me put trigger. You guys can see now I have communication. Sorry for the glare. Vehicle does start after this. Let me go ahead and turn it on. You can see the vehicle starts. If I go to the ABS module and connect it, you're gonna see that the lines drop out. You can see switch is on, vehicle's off. Let's go and take the connector off and check it. Okay. Okay, let's go back so you guys can have a better view. Now my can high plus is at 3.6 volts. My can low, can high, my bad, negative. It's at 1.6. So this vehicle will need a ABS module. I ended up discussing with the shop owner, and they are going to inform the customer of the findings, and we will keep you guys posted. For the meantime, I'm going to disconnect the ABS module and see what we find. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.